Hi there, my name is Tom Adler, currently working for Wodr. I'm Business Development Executive, and today we're going to be talking about the mandatory rollout of AMRs and compliance with Ofwat. If you're unsure of what AMRs are, do feel free to check out our previous video titled What is Smart Metering and how AMRs can benefit your business. So first of all, we're going to talk about why is smart metering important for businesses. So essentially, smart metering is important because it provides real-time accurate data. So that improves your billing, your monitoring and your leak detection. And that's why that improved accuracy is why Ofwat is rolling out a mass compliance to have them installed as a massive push on sustainability and water management nationwide. So now we're going to talk about what actually is Ofwat's mandatory smart meter rollout. So essentially, Ofwat is the regulatory body for water in England and Wales for business customers, and they've issued a phased rollout that is mandatory for all eligible customers to implement smart meters on necessary meters. So essentially, businesses can now check if they're eligible for smart meters, and that will have to be met by deadlines in the next few years to have them all installed as a plan to increase the water efficiency and sustainability across the country. How does compliance actually affect businesses? So essentially, businesses have to have the approved smart meters installed by the set deadlines outlined by Ofwat. And being compliant ensures accurate billing and avoids any potential penalties and complications with suppliers. If you're not compliant, you risk running estimated bills, which could cost your business lots of unnecessary payments on water, and incurs penalties for not having the approved smart meters on, as it's not in line with the company's outline of where they want to be with water efficiency and accuracy. So next we're going to detail a list of the benefits of smart metering under this new Ofwat's rollout. Essentially, there are 5 key reasons that they're doing this. So first of all, it provides transparent and accurate data, avoiding overcharges on your water bills. And then next up we have the fact that it's actually real time, so you know exactly where your water is going at all times, which can prevent unnecessary spending and water that you didn't know you're actually spending more, so you can create actionable insights. Third up is the leak detection. So that's often built into retailers' portals. So if the supplier sees a spike in usage on their end, they can get in touch to let you know, right, you might have a leak or a burst pipe or something, which is really useful for the business customers, you can imagine, to save a lot of hassle and time on that end of things. It also makes energy management and water management actionable. Previously it was all done on estimated usage, so now you've got concrete data and evidence which you can base your decisions off. And finally, it gives you a better idea on your actual consumption, which is obviously massively beneficial for budgeting and forecast down the line for how much you're going to be using and spending on your utilities. So finally, we're going to talk about how businesses should prepare for this smart meter rollout. So the first thing that you can do is check which meters are eligible and which meters will need it. So oftentimes it's going to be based on the amount of water flowing through, the consumption and what quality of water is, whether it's wastewater, watering or trade effluent. After that, you can get in touch with your existing supplier to schedule in installation so that you're ahead of the game really, to make sure that you're not risking any non-compliance when the deadlines do hit. Afterwards, you can review your current contracts to see if you might have smart meters included, how much they're going to cost. You can paint a clear picture on exactly the time frame and the costs involved with getting them installed. And finally, you can check with Ofwat exactly to see the dates that you're going to need to have it all completed by, and you can then see a detailed outline of what it's going to do. And it's also worth training our staff on how to access the data to ensure you're receiving the maximum benefit from having it installed. Thanks for watching this video on smart meters. I've been Tom. I hope you found it useful. If there are any other questions at all on smart metering or water in general, do feel free to get in touch with the team here at Wodr, and we'll try our best to help you out.